listen, Sion's ready. Amara's ready. Let me get dojo points out.
Miss Patrick.
Yes.
What about the rules?
What rules?
About listening.
She's gonna tell us tomorrow.
No, I'm gonna tell you what this is. We're doing something different. So we have until 1:10. That's enough time. So let me get out dojo points first. I know, but that's when we end.
No,
Okay.
we ended at 2.
Sion gets a dojo point. Now he's at 30. And Samara gets a dojo point. And now she's at 2. Alright, we can earn some more later. Alright, so
I'm on.
I don't know. I haven't looked at your name. Alright, I'm listening. I'm speaking. So we are going to do some math. We're going to work in groups to do our math. Yep. We're going to work in groups. So we're going to do some, I'm going to give you some math problems that are already solved. And you're going to work together to figure out if the person got the answer right or wrong. So we can use whiteboards and dry erase markers to help us. I'll take your question later. So I'm going to show you how to do one. And then we're going to pick out groups. And then in our groups, we're going to have some roles. So everyone's going to have a different responsibility. But we're all working together. So the groups are going to be uneven. Unless Demi does not want to work in a group. And then it'll be 2 and 2. Well, it's not a choice.
I don't want to be in a group.
Well, it's not a choice.
I don't want.
It's not a choice. Group work is good. Group work is good. It's essential.
I want to do it by myself.
No, we're going to work together because your skills might help someone else that doesn't have that same skill in your group.
All
right.
Got some skills.
No. So, it is called, listen, what are you doing? We're going to, have you heard of the word error analysis?
No.
No. So, I want to give you a problem that's already solved. Elijah, stop. And it's going to be a problem with the problem. Okay, so you have to solve it again to figure out the right answer. So we're going to do one together.
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the roles is going to be someone who's going to read the problem.
Me.
Read the problem.
It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me.
No,
We'll
it's
talk
fine.
about it.
Gonna
And
be
then, listen,
Me.
then someone is going to, you're all going to work together to solve the problem. And then find the error.
Find the error.
Find the error.
It's arrow.
Error. Like something is wrong. E-R-R-O.
Arrow.
Error.
Arrow.
And then someone is going to be the recorder.
Me.
Where they share down. Where they just, recording means you're just writing on the paper.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that.
Okay, we're talking about, I'm just telling you what the roles are. We're not telling you what role you have yet. And then we're going to, at the end, if we have time, we're going to come together to share out. So we need a speaker from your group.
Me. Me.
So you can,
I'm gonna do 2 things.
so you can determine, so your speaker is going to share out. So this is role 2 is a collective role, like you're working together to do that, and a recorder. And if your group doesn't have like 3 people, one person can do 2 roles. Recorder, right there.
I want to do 2 roles. I want to write. And I wanna
Okay,
say
then me. All right, so I'm going to read a problem to you, okay? And then I'm going to solve the problem, and then this is what you're going to do when we come together as a group. Got it?
Yeah.
So pay attention. Let me get it. And I have answers, so you can check your answers. All right. Ready? We ready? All right, listen, I'm going to read it. Kanaya has collected erasers since she was 3 years old.
Is that me?
No.
You have to listen. You have to listen. Put the clip down and listen.
Like your name. No.
Kanaya, not Anaya. Kanaya.
Cousin name?
Okay, Anaya.
No, Kanaya.
Shut. That's my cousin name.
Anaya, you're doing a little too much. Kanaya has collected erasers since she was 3 years old. For the first 4 years, she collected 42,685 erasers. Whew. In the next 3 years, she collected 13,763 erasers. She is going for the world record. When she was trying to figure out how many erasers she has so far, she added the 2 collections and got 56,328 erasers. we can see her work here below. Okay, so this is her work. I'll put it on the board so you can see. This is her work right here.
Sit down.
2, 3, comma, 6, 5. Carry the 1 over the 10,000.
Let me see.
All right. So was Kanaya? So this is what you want to answer in your group. Was Kanaya correct? If not, explain where she might have gone wrong or what she was missing using words and numbers. Be as clear as possible to help her out. Yes.
One thing she messed up.
Okay.
You see, this do equal 12, but she forgot to carry the
Also, she forgot to carry the 1. So, all right. So this is what you would do if you were in your group. You would rewrite it, right? So 42,685 plus, oh, I forgot the plus symbol, plus 13,763. And then guess what you're going to do? You're just going to solve. Work together to solve. So 5 plus 3, I know is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. Now, 8 plus 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 is actually 14. Carry my 1. 7 plus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 1 more, 14. So she carried the 1 here, but then she added wrong. And then I put comma 3, comma 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 more is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. So actually her answer, she has 56,448 erasers. Okay, so that's all you want to do. So we can see her mistakes. So she added wrong in her 10th place. She added wrong and she didn't carry. She added wrong in her 100th place. And she just added wrong in her 1st place. So there we go.
You start in the 1.
Huh?
You forgot to start in the 1.
I did start in the 1's place. 8
No.
plus.
That's 1.
This is the 1's place.
Yeah.
1's, 10's, 100's, 1000's, 10,000's.
What?
Yeah.
I got this one correct.
This is wrong.
So
They're wrong and right. All right. Did we understand what we're going to do?
Wrong.
All right. So this will be a group and this will be a group. So let's do roles first. Who would like to share out? Which two would like? If you once you're in a group and you would like to share, I heard Anaya and Samara wanted to share.
No.
Who's going to explain their problem
No.
Raise your hand.
to the group? Sion, you want to explain it? Thank you, Sion, for being brave and explaining. So you're going to be one, but I need someone else to be someone who's going to share out. Anaya? Okay.
So now you're in a group.
All right. Who wants to write down for their group?
No.
I already.
Samara, you want to write down? Okay.
So we're writing down numbers.
You write it down. You want to write down for your group? You'll write down and share
No,
out.
small please.
Demi, can you read for your group?
No.
Demi. Can you read for your group? You can read the problem. And Elijah, I'm going to have you read.
I'm not good at reading.
Ugh. Well, who's going to read for your group?
Samara.
Samara, you want to read for your group?
Me.
And then everyone, this is everyone.
Who's first group?
Everyone is going to do that. So, Anaya, Demi,
Hey, Sion. And Samara.
let's see, Demi and Samara can be in the same group. So, Demi, either you move there or you move there.
Can I go with Samara? Can I be with Samara?
No, I need you to sign on. So, now you move there. And Elijah, which group would you like to go to?
Samara.
Okay, go over there.
Hi, Jimmy.
Alright. So we're not going to do the problem that I did. You're going to do a different problem. And then I'll help out your group since there's only 2 of you. So, here are our problems. So, I'm going to give you some problems. And then you figure out which problem you want to solve for your group. So listen, right? So Ryan has 457,789 Pokemon cards and 49,382 Yu-Gi-Oh cards that he wants to give away to somebody younger than him. When he was trying to figure out how many total cards he added the 2 amounts together as seen to the right. Was he correct? Anybody want to solve that problem? Your group?
No.
I'll read the other ones. Dylan completed all of his math homework, but he unfortunately left his scratch paper at home. You can see one of the problems below.
I want to do scratch paper.
You want to do this one?
No.
You just said you want to do. Yeah.
I can solve it.
All right. So remember yourself. So read it for your group. So now you're gonna read it for Zion, and then Demi, remember. Demi or Samara, go ahead and read the problem.
What am I supposed to read?
The problem right here.
Pages. What do we need two for?
You just have it's one for each person.
Yeah.
So Demi, you're gonna read the problem for everybody. Yeah.
What is this word?
Complete it.
Completed all of
I see where you messed up above.
his math homework.
Uh-huh.
But
You're talking with your group though.
this pattern.
Yeah.
What's this word?
What's what word?
This word.
Hold on.
Okay. The question Ryan has.
You're not in it. They're not even looking at you.
I know I'm not in it. I'm still happy. I'm good. I'm not in it.
All right,
They
they're
can't
not in
see
it.
me.
All right, go ahead and work with your group.
They can't see.
Do you want to switch spots with Elijah so they can't see your face and they see the back of your head?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey.
Hey, do your group. Okay.
What is this word? Was Ryan correct?
Dylan
If
completed
not,
all his math homework, but he unfortunately,
might have
unfortunately.
wrong or what he was missing using words and numbers. Be as clear as possible to help him out. His scratch paper at home. You solve the problem to correct way showing all your work and explain below.
Alright, so
Explain the step you took.
So what are you gonna do?
Math.
So look at your problem. You have 78,943.
We have to add.
Add it. Go ahead and add it. Go ahead and add it here. Your pencil.
I need it.
So rewrite it. That's his work, and you're gonna add again and see if he got that correct.
How many different things? I don't know. I told still work together.
You're working together as a group, so we're solving it together.
Okay. So
Look, I'm blocking your view.
we're gonna need
No,
I had to do with my. Okay. So
Do you want a whiteboard?
first, that's right there.
Yes, please. But he has lots of wrong answers.
Okay, so you're gonna talk with your
Okay,
group
so
what
this
he
is
has
how you
wrong.
do it. You gotta write it down like this.
9 plus 2 is 11.
So solve it. If you want to solve it on the
And
whiteboard
then
here.
write the 6 below the 8.
But make sure, remember in our model, like I went over like what was wrong, what wasn't wrong. If you want a whiteboard.
She was wrong.
Okay, you're gonna have to figure out the right answer and then explain what went wrong.
Actually messed that up.
That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna figure out the right answer with your group and then explain what went wrong.
Okay, so we're gonna start by ourselves. Then we're gonna figure out what we got wrong.
Okay, don't forget to put your name on your paper.
On my board. You got your phone.
Okay.
This is
That was the condom.
that's your guy number.
And a middle of 7.
That bad.
Okay, solve your problem. Samara solving it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my
Elijah solving it.
I'm gonna take my sweet precious time on this one. Because it's easy.
And remember, you're talking to your group too.
Okay.
Boo.
Because you have to figure out
I did.
how many, what was the right
Did you
answer.
get that?
Did Ryan get the right answer?
You won.
11.
You don't need a multiplication chart, you're adding, get a 100 chart.
Is that a 5? Oh, then you're right. And this is
We'll get some counters.
That's an 8. That's an 8. Stop it.
Where'd you put your comma? Where should your comma go? No, you group by 3. So your comma, 1, 2, 3 will be there between the 5 and the 1.
Miss Patrick,
Yeah.
we done.
You done? Okay. What's your answer?
It was 8.
Wait a minute, let me come over. I have to answer. Who'd you have? You had Dylan, right?
Yes, Dylan. 85,540.
Let's see it. Alright, let's see. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
Yours too small.
What should the answer be?
85,540.
That's correct. Okay, so now what did Dylan do?
He got 144,913.
913. What did he go wrong? What did we think? So if we this is what we do. We line it up to Dylan's problem. He had what? 78,943 plus 6,597. What do you think he went wrong? If we wrote his problem like this,
Can we write in this problem?
where did he go wrong? If we wrote it like this, so let's add this together.
Okay. So this and that is 10.
This, there's nothing here.
Oh, well that's that's 3.
Okay, what would be here?
That's
Plus this is
11.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you, Zion. Plus 1.
Okay, and that's
If this is 11,
It's
that's what.
6.
Guess what? If this is 11, this is 18.
Plus 1 more.
Actually,
20.
Actually, it's
So
17.
0 right there, 2 right there.
You had to put
Wait, look, you see, so
14 plus 2 more,
3 plus 7, that's 10.
16. I
So
did.
plus 1. So
I'm done.
your plus 1 goes up here.
9 plus 9
9 plus
It's
9
is
is
18.
Add
Plus
1
1 more
to
is 9.
16. 17. And add 1 to that 5.
And
it's 10.
so
1 there. And 1.
15. That's all 15.
No.
Wait, what are you getting these numbers from?
13,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 1 more is 14.
14,
Plus 1.
Where are you getting
Plus
those numbers
1.
from?
7, 12 plus 1 more is 13.
That's why I'm adding again.
Okay.
I'm good at it.
13 plus 1 more is 14.
Alright, so
That
this
is
is
so
what
wrong.
he got, and you have the right answer. So where did Dylan go wrong?
He went, everything is wrong with
How?
him, so
What did he do that was wrong?
his adding was so wrong.
Alright, his adding was wrong. What about his adding was wrong? I hope you're solving it over there.
He put his 6 in his 10.
You have 2
He
different
put his
numbers.
6 in his
I'm done.
10 hundreds.
10,000
10,000.
Okay.
He's supposed to put it in his thousands place.
Ah, I noticed that. Did you see that? So what did he not do correctly? If he put his 6 in the 10,000 place, like you said, and not in the thousands place, where did he go wrong? Remember, pretend this isn't in here. Where did he go wrong with it?
He put 0.
No, it's no 0. Remember, this is blank. So if he put his 6 here, like you did on your paper,
If I did
you put your
this,
6 under the 8. So what did he not do correctly?
He didn't put 608.
So like he didn't do what?
Line out the, fill out the answer.
He figured out an answer, but was it right?
I did it.
And it wasn't. Did you solve it as a group?
Wait, he didn't go over his answer.
He went over it. This answer he got right.
He did not go over the answer.
He didn't what? He something simple. You just told me. You just told me what he didn't do.
He did not put his 6 and his 1,000.
So he didn't line it up.
It's 17. And then
Nice, high. Y'all solved this really nicely. All right, can you explain it when we go together as a group? Okay, don't erase anything. Don't erase anything.
Okay.
All right, are we ready?
Yes.
No, not yet. I'm gonna talk to them first.
Okay.
All right, group.
yes.
Let's see what you got.
Yellow oil.
What's your names on your papers, Anaya?
Okay.
Simon. All right, what's going on with Ryan and the Yu-Gi-Oh cards?
It's not right. Like, is it?
He
No.
did it.
What should he have gotten? Was his answer correct?
No.
No. So what should he have gotten? What should his answer have been? Read that number to me, Elijah.
507. Wait, hold up.
Yeah, 507,000.
117.
That's 7. 170.
71.
Read. Say it again. He should have gotten what?
He should have gotten 507,117.
70.
71.
All right, you guys got the right answer. So what did he get wrong? How did he get wrong? What didn't he do right?
He got the first question. He got number 92.
Okay.
92 or what?
9 plus 2.
Miss Patrick. So, you got 2 plus 9 correct.
Okay.
11. So, you got this one correct as well.
Okay.
But this is the one.
Which place is that?
3 plus this. This is correct as well.
Okay.
This is correct as well. This.
But you said the hundreds place is right, but he has a 0 for his answer and you have a 1. So what should he have done
He should have.
to get his hundreds place to be like your hundreds place?
So,
I did it.
what I was doing is, I put 3 plus 7
Uh-huh.
is 10. So then I had the 1 at the top,
Yeah.
and I got 11. So
Okay.
he should put a 1 here,
Okay.
and the 1 then here,
Gotcha.
and then he could have had it correct.
Okay. All right. What about that first number? He had a 1. You guys had a 5. So he had his answer was 107,071. Yours was
He's
570.
No, he got this one
I'm
correct.
talking about the first place, the
The first place, like this one right here.
100,000 place.
Did you color on your
No. How did he get a 1 and you guys got a 5?
This one right here.
Yeah, the 1, the hundreds thousands. The first that one. That.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
So when we was doing this question, we added these.
Yeah.
This is 9, so this plus that is 10. So 0 here, and the 1 goes over here, and you get 5 here.
Okay.
And then that's how you do it.
All right. Can you explain it to the group?
Yes, let me go up to the board and do it.
No.
Yes.
All right. We're gonna explain it. Hold on.
I do it.
Oh wait.
Can I do it on the board?
Yeah. I'll let you do it.
Can I do it on the board?
Yeah.
I want to explain my
Good answer.
All right, Elijah. Let me erase this. You're gonna explain it to everybody. So Sion and Anaya, please pay attention. He's gonna explain his problem to the group. So I'm gonna read it for the sake of time. So their problem was this. Listen, Ryan has 457,789 Pokemon cards and 49,382 Yu-Gi-Oh cards that he wants to give away to somebody younger than him. When he was trying to figure out how many total cards he had, and I sit down, he added the two amounts together as seen to the right. So he added those two numbers together and got 107,071. So was he correct? Was Ryan correct?
No.
No, he wasn't correct. So what did we do? Go ahead, Elijah.
Okay.
Where's your paper?
Up here.
We need your paper. Was he correct? Tell us what he did first, and then.
So, I'm going to start up here.
All right, go ahead.
An answer up here. Okay, let me see here.
You gotta walk us through it.
Okay. Let me just erase that. So, what Ryan did
Okay.
is he put this number up here on writing. I'm not going to write it big though.
Well, you gotta explain it.
Okay. So he wrote this number all the way up.
All right, if you can't explain it, I'm gonna have Jimmy or Samara do it.
Okay, I'll just start it over.
Go ahead. Keep going.
Can I start it over?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to start this over. I'm just going to use the bigger marker because... Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Ryan did this. Okay, let's see it.
This, I messed that up.
Show us how you solve your problem, and then I'll write Ryan's problem down.
Okay.
Okay. Or Demi can write it down since she wants to contribute to the group. And Samara.
Who is
Timmy.
All right, go ahead. Steve's gonna explain it. Go ahead.
This is Ryan's problem.
That's the first one. So he has
He has
57,789.
457,789.
Okay. Go ahead, Elijah.
Okay. Plus. Plus
49,000.
49,382.
All right, go ahead. Is that his problem or your problem?
Hit Ryan's
All
problem.
right, now I want you to solve it. I want you to solve it with the right answer.
Plus.
Go ahead.
So this is 11. So then the one go up here, then this go up here. This would make 17 plus
Okay.
8 plus 8 is 16. So this is
Keep going.
17. So then 3 plus 7 is 10. So this would be a 0 here. Then 9 plus 7 would be 16. And plus 1 goes up here. That would be 17. Then 4 plus that, 5 would be 9.
Remember, he carried a 1 in his problem. So it should be 10.
Oh, yeah.
Let's put a 0. Let's make it a 0. Okay.
And then
He didn't carry anything to the 4th.
he actually did.
He did not. He didn't.
did?
He did not.
Yeah.
But this would be 10.
So you just bring the 4 down.
Actually, this was 10.
That is 10. So bring the 4 down.
No, but you gotta add the.
He didn't carry a 1. He didn't add a 1. It's
Can I see
1. It's right on your paper.
So I don't need to get
No.
Oh, not yet. He's
Wow.
gonna finish his. Go ahead, Elijah.
That'll be a 10.
He didn't add a 10. He brought
It's a
the 4
0.
down. Just bring the 4 down.
And then this is his answer. Now I'm gonna be writing my answer.
I'm sorry, you're right. It is a 10.
Yeah.
Go ahead. 10. 1.
This would be
No, this
5.
is a 10. Are you doing your problem or his problem?
It's perfect.
You don't even know it's a 10. more.
17.
You're right, 17. Sorry.
This would be 11. This would be 17. 10. 5.
Alright, what did he do, Samara or Demi? What's the difference with what Ryan did? What didn't Ryan do? Go ahead, Demi. What didn't Ryan do that you talked about in your group?
That Ryan.
Ryan, remember, he got a 107,071, and your group got 507,171. So what didn't Ryan do? Right.
Ryan didn't get 7 plus 3 right.
He didn't. Okay. So. All right. Did he carry right?
Yes.
Yes.
He carried all the time. You carried a lot of times. He carried like 3 times.
Yeah, he did.
And
What else did Ryan get wrong?
But he carried
he got
some.
4 wrong.
Okay, 4 wrong.
For that one, the last one.
Oh, the 10,000s, please.
Yeah.
He carried 4 times.
Okay. I mean the 100,000, please.
And he got and
Anything else?
Yeah, yes.
What else did you talk about your group?
That he also got 5 plus 4 wrong.
Okay.
Which is 0.
Oh, he put 0. Okay. All right. 5. Oh, he didn't carry. Oh, he did. Y'all both have 0 in that spot.
No.
Okay.
Well, Ryan.
Ryan has a 0. You have a 0. 5 plus 4.
No, and no.
Oh, you're saying he should have put 9?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see. All right. Thanks for solving. Go sit down. Let's just quit. All right. Last question. Then we're going to. Alright, so Zion and Anaya work together. They also solve their problem correctly. So we're going to listen to them. And then we're going to just debrief about how this went. So go ahead, Zion and Anaya. Take it away. Tell us about, who'd you have, Dylan?
Yes, Dylan.
Dylan completed all of his math homework, but he unfortunately left his scratch paper at home. You can see one of the problems below. 78,943 plus 6,597 equals 144,913. Simon can help. Go ahead. Solve it.
Okay,
What did you get as your answer?
so it was 78,943
Plus.
plus 6,500.
Make sure you're lining it up.
Okay.
Make sure you're lining it up. You gotta line it up. Go ahead.
$597.
97. Okay.
So 3 plus 7,
Is what, Zion?
10. 1 plus 4. No, 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 plus 1 more is 14.
Okay. Go ahead.
And 9 plus 5 plus 1 more is 15.
15. Okay.
8 plus 6 plus 1 more is 15.
It's good, no.
So 1 plus 7 is 8.
Okay.
And my answer is
You're both. It was together.
85,540.
Okay, get the whiteboard, Sion. And show everybody the whiteboard. That's the one whiteboard with the problem with it. All right, look. This is what Dylan got. So explain what did Dylan do wrong? So this is what Dylan got at first, and this is which is the correct answer. So what didn't Dylan do right? What did he do wrong, Anaya? You're right, you're solving it, but what did Dylan do wrong?
He did his 6 and his 10,000s place instead of his 1,000s.
So he did not line up his problem correctly. All right, let's sit down. How do we feel about working in a group? Did we like working in a group or not?
No.
Yes.
No.
Demi, why did you not like working in a group?
Because I want to work by myself.
Okay. Did you see? Go have a seat. Did you see a benefit in working with Samara and Elijah? Were you able to solve the problem quicker because you were working with other people? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Samara, how'd you feel working in the group? You thumbs up, you like working in the group? Or Elijah?
Yeah.
Okay, why yes?
It's fun.
It's fun working in the group. Alright, Sion and Anaya, why did you like working in the group?
We like working. Okay.
Stop it.
You like working in the group? Why? Stop, I cannot hear him. You got it right? Okay, did you work together to get it right? Yes, go ahead.
This is why I like working in a group because at first we didn't know what to do, but then when we got together and started learning together, we got it right.
Oh, I like that. When you say you started learning together, I like that. All right. Actually, guys, nice job. I like that group. You guys did a really nice job. Better than I expected. Demi, please get off of the floor.
Why are you on this?
Elijah, do you have a question?
No.
We're done. Come on.